Hello guys, for today video I will teach you how to fix World Sale not available in new update car parking multiplayer 4.8.12.7. Watch the video and don't skip. But before we start, don't forget to click subscribe button and bell button for updated my new upload videos, tutorials and script hack. I hope this tutorial can help you guys. If you have a content suggestion, to just comment in the comment section below. Okay guys, let's start a tutorial. Follow what I'm doing guys, don't
so high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your